What is happening? Magnusites. Oh yeah, time for another Lootaku. I think they're rounding out the end of the year. I think I got my last one like last week or something like that. I think it was a older one. I think it was like November or October. Like it was, yeah. Wasn't the one I thought it was going to be. You know what I mean? So, if you enjoy this unboxing, remember, you can get your own Lootaku in the link below. Lootaku is probably my favorite unboxing of the month. There's maybe one or two that kind of get neck and neck with it. For some reason I can't find my box cutter that I usually have on me. Left it somewhere in the house. Alrighty. Let's see what we have here. Alright. So, let's see here. Let's see. I'm trying to find this. It didn't come with it. Okay. Well, I don't know exactly what month this one's going to be for. Let me show you what has come with this. You see that? I think I know who this is. I think. But I'm not sure. Let me see what this says here. You should thank me for letting you live. This towel? Towel. Yeah. Okay, it is towel. Okay. I thought it was somebody else at first. So you got this. Let's see here. I think they forgot oh, wait a minute. Let's see what this says. Dear subscriber, due to a noticing mistake in our information card this month, we will instead upload the correct version online. Because normally they send you a card. Nice plush card that lets you know exactly what month it is. For some reason I am not recognizing this. I do recognize it, but I don't recognize it all at the same time. I'm drawing a blank. I will go to the website here to see exactly what this is, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so we have a bag here. See this? It's canvas too. This reminds me of the whole debacle with Fallout 76, how everybody got like a plastic bag and they advertised canvas like this is. Alright. Aha. Okay, that's what it is. It's Naruto, isn't it? I think the bag is Naruto. Help me out in the comments. I think it is, because it looks very familiar to me. Alright. Badass, right? Badass. This fucking psycho. This psycho. Yeah. This psycho. Yeah. Comes in the box. Uh-huh. And it looks like we have... Ooh! So we got a hodgepodge here of different anime. Got a hodgepodge. There we go. Prince Vegeta! That's right, getting ready to transform into the great ape form. If you enjoyed this unboxing, this is probably my favorite of them. I might have to put this on up there. Normally I wouldn't, because he creeped me out when I first started watching. But actually I'm starting to like him as a villain. I'm really starting to like him, so this is probably going to go up on the mantle. You know what I'm saying? We shall see. 10 million subscribers. Woo!